Good afternoon. How can I help you today? Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to get a haircut, please. Hi, I'd like to get a haircut, please.
Of course. Do you have an appointment? Of course. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Is that okay? No, I don't. Is that okay?
That's fine. We have time for you now. That's fine. We have time for you now.
Great, thank you. Great, thank you.
Please have a seat. Please have a seat. What would you like to have done today? What would you like to have done today?
I'd like my hair cut a little shorter. I'd like my hair cut a little shorter.
How much would you like me to cut? How much would you like me to cut?
About 5 centimeters, please. About 5 centimeters, please.
No problem. Would you like me to trim your bangs too? No problem. Would you like me to trim your bangs too?
Yes, please. They're getting a little long. Yes, please. They're getting a little long.
Sure. Would you like me to wash your hair first? Sure. Would you like me to wash your hair first?
Yes, that would be nice. Yes, that would be nice.
All right. Your hair is clean. All right. Your hair is clean. Let's start the haircut. Let's start the haircut.
Okay.
How does this length look? How does this length look?
It looks good. It looks good. Maybe just a little shorter, please. Maybe just a little shorter, please.
Of course. How about now? Of course. How about now? Is this length fine on the side? Is this length fine on the side?
Perfect. I really like it. Perfect. I really like it.
Great. I will do the other side the same way. Great. I will do the other side the same way.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby?
Yes, only a few buildings from here. Yes, only a few buildings from here.
That is convenient. That is convenient.
Yes, I was happy to find your salon. Yes, I was happy to find your salon.
We are glad you came in. We are glad you came in.
The place is very nice and calm. The place is very nice and calm.
Thank you. We try to keep it friendly. Thank you. We try to keep it friendly.
I can see that. I can see that.
All right. I have almost finished now. All right. I have almost finished now.
Oh, that was quick. Oh, that was quick.
Yes. Would you like me to dry your hair? Yes. Would you like me to dry your hair?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
All done. Please look in the mirror. All done. Please look in the mirror. What do you think? What do you think?
I love it. I love it. It looks fresh and neat. It looks fresh and neat.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it.
How much is it? How much is it?
The haircut and wash come to $25. The haircut and wash come to $25.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Certainly. Certainly.
Here you are. Here you are.
Please tap your card here. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment complete. Here's your receipt. Payment complete. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
We hope to see you again soon. We hope to see you again soon.
I will. Have a great day. I will. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.